Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this stuffed toy basket. It's like a shelf for the stuffed toys, and it looks like this. It has a zipper on the side. So it just came up in a little small container, and here's the instruction. Let's see here. So here is the installation steps. Go ahead and put it together, girls. So we got the cream color, so it's neutral. So that's the base. So we got the base, and that's the top cover.
Okay, next.
And this is the body. Read the instruction first. Be careful. You don't want to rip it.
There's no reading, actually. There's no reading. It's just. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna zip the bottom piece like so. Here's the bottom piece, and then here's the zipper. So you just attach it together like this. Zipper. Careful. Make sure it's okay. Now you can roll it together this way, sideways. You make it
Oh, that's gonna be big.
Be careful, be careful.
I got the stick.
We flipped it over and we're trying to line it up properly. And then now we're gonna, Shallow, don't be careful here. It needs to be like a circle. We're gonna snap it in place to one of these things. It needs to be it's tall, so we're gonna snap it in place. Stand up. Stand up.
Yummy.
How do you lock this? Oh, you lock it using the other side. Be careful there. I think. Is that right? Hold on. Is that right?
I think that's right, Lily.
There you go. So you just lock it in.
Maybe like this?
Put it in, and then you pull the other side in. Be careful though, I don't want to rip it. We've secured all the the locks here. Now we're gonna stand it up.
I'll do it.
This is really tall. Okay, let's put the base first. This one has like wheels. Let's put it there.
Oh, I'll just put it in wheels.
Hold on, let me see which
Can
one.
I do the wheels, Lily? You do two and I do two.
Hold it properly. So we're attaching the top piece. Make sure it's in that this one. Sits in there. It just wheels on the top. So as long as how tall this is.
Can you just like?
There you go.
Told you.
Okay, now let's open it. Oh, this.
Right, I'm starting.
Okay, let's start putting stuff in.
Put stuff toys. See ya. Let's put my work right. It goes down to. Hello.
Put the big ones in the very bottom. It's gonna squish the small ones. Naomi, make sure it's standing up, Naomi.
Yeah,
so it's
upside down.
so it looks cute when it's like a display. okay. You can open it bigger.
Mom, how about this? Do you think this is chubby
It's
kid?
in the very bottom.
You could take it out. It's
Chubby kid.
You-
You have a good idea.
okay. Put it in.